Today we're at Arthur Cottage in Cullybackey, County Antrim, and this beautifully restored homestead is actually the ancestral home of Chester A. Arthur, the 21st President of the United States. And I'm hoping the hearth is on inside and some tasty breakfast awaits. So what are you cooking up for me today, Liam?
Jane, we're going to try a bowl of brochan.
Brochan, and what's that when it's at home?
You might know it better as porridge. It's getting brave and thick, Jane. When it got to this consistency, my Uncle John used to call it glouter. Glouter is wallpaper paste, and when it thickens up a wee bit, his contention was it more resembled wallpaper paste than food.
Usually when I have porridge, I'd put maybe blueberries or peanut butter or something on the top, but I suspect these toppings weren't around when you were a youth.
It was a simpler time then, Jane. You could have salt or sugar. And because I'm brave and sour, I always took sugar.
Probably a good idea. Before we finish up though, I wanted to ask you about a phrase that I've heard you use, and I've always thought it was a good one. Never forget the bowl you were baked in.
That means didn't forget where you comfy.
Well, that's all from us here at Arthur Cottage near Cullybackey. And remember, never forget the bowl you were baked in. We'll see you soon.